Good morning, y'all. I'm trying to show you guys how to reach Illuminate and how to find your priority exit tickets, the rubrics, and how to grade them. Okay, so you want to use this link that I sent in the email. Again, you want to bookmark this because, like I said, Illuminate tripping. Because so many other districts use Illuminate, and you're going to come to this screen. And since all of our emails are Google, you're going to be able to sign right in. So click on the Google, and your credentials, if not, will be the same thing as really signing into any other like KIP website. You should see a screen like this. You're going to click on ELA. Alright, so this is the part where you're going to search. Now, what I just learned, okay, so first off, there are filters, so you can add a filter if you would like, select your grade level, your scope. I'm not sure what scope means. Oh, I guess weekly. Different subjects and what their modules are called, I'm assuming. But if you type read and your grade level, then all of your priority exit tickets are going to pop up for your class. So for example, if I typed in read 6, alright, and here are all of my priority exit tickets. So you know the module based on like the M and then the number that's next to the M. So right here we have module 0's priority exit ticket 3 and priority exit ticket 6. Alright, so for module 1, because there's M1, we'll have a priority exit ticket number 3, number 10, number 17, and number 23. So just be mindful of that. That's a good way to keep up with it as well. So if I want to look at priority exit ticket, or if I wanted to grade it or download it, or just going forward with it, I'd click on that exit ticket. So here are the materials. This shows you the materials. One more time. Maybe I should go back. I moved kind of fast. But yeah, after you click on whatever exit ticket you want to look at, I think we were looking at module 0, exit ticket 3 for 6th grade. You have the opportunity to print answer sheets, download materials, view preview, administer online, grade from camera, grade from scanner, enter, and edit. Alright, so this grade from camera, grade from scanner, that was something that we would do on campus because we were using like Scantrons, multiple choice sheets. But in order to look at the material though, if you just want to get an idea of what these exit tickets are going to be, you click on download material. Alright, so bam. If you want to know how you want to grade the exit tickets or how they're expecting you to grade the exit tickets, here are the rubric. And here would be the actual exit ticket or test. So you can download the rubric, download the exit ticket. Alright, bam, there's our rubric. There is our exit ticket. So reading 6th. This will be your exit ticket, okay, and this will be your rubric. So the rubric is scored on 0 through 4, 4 being the highest, 3 being meets, 2 being approaches, 1 being not yet. Alright, we're going to look at that later because in the grade book it is also graded on, it's already set up to where you're given a 0 through a 4. So this is a rubric that they're expecting you to base that upon. We'll come back to that in just a few seconds. But yeah, so something I wanted to say, because most of us have this this exit ticket to where the third one is about gisting, and it's talking about gist notes in the margin. And if, honestly, you want to kind of switch your criteria for success up to where you would understand that a student is able to complete this task without actually doing it in a margin, and they're actually still able to tell the main idea, I say just go ahead and use your own discretion, use your better judgment. If you felt like their ability to tell the main idea outweighs, you know what I'm saying, their ability to just in the margins, because that's going to be pretty difficult given the situation that we're in right now as far as, you know, being virtual. I feel like that's perfectly fine. So tailor this criteria for success to whatever you feel like is most comfortable for you, less taxing for the students. Um, so yeah, it is scored on 1 through 4. And if you are trying to score your exit tickets after you get them, you want to click on enter/edit. All right, you want to choose your courses. I'm unable to choose you guys' courses, so right now it's automatically going to writing 5. So it's going to pop up, or it's going to pop up my students. So writing 5. These are my 4 classes. All right, filter students. You don't want to filter students. View students without data. All right, so students who I have not yet scored, and bam, there they are. So as I was saying earlier, when you score, there's going to be 0 through 4, and again, you're going to use this rubric to score. All right, but after you score, it automatically be updated, and we want to try to get it in by like the specific dates that they ask for them. So look at your pacing calendar. I know for module 0, most of us should be on the same, like at the same pace, but look at your pacing calendar because they report these things. So I look at reports. So they report these things, and then pretty much in a few weeks you'll see a whole bunch of like pie charts and a whole bunch of just like bar graphs about our performance on these exams and these exit tickets. So you want to make sure that you're a part of the curve, because sometimes they curve these scores. So we want to make sure that we're getting things in on time. But if you guys have any more questions, please reach out and just let me know. I'm going to send you guys this video and this email.